Welding Korea 2026. This show builds on 22 years of experience in welding and cutting automation. So let's go and take a look inside. Let's check out GBC. Hi, nice to meet you.
Stefano, nice meeting you.
What kind of company is GBC?
Okay, GBC is an Italian company based in North Italy. Since the last 40 years, we are manufacturing machine for the welding preparation. More precisely, we have cold cutting machine and beveling machine displaying this exhibition in Korea. Behind you, we have a machine model called Fast. The peculiarity of this machine is that it's ranging from 6 up to 60 inches, and you can simultaneously cut and bevel the pipe, no matter the material, no matter the wall thicknesses. The most important feature of these machines is that it's self-centering. This means that the operator can save a lot of time in setting up the machines. And this is the only machine available on the market with these features.
Really?
Yes.
So it's super unique.
Yeah, correct. We are the only one manufacturing this kind of machines. We have other models for cold cutting, but we believe that this one is the most advanced. This is the reason why we brought it to the Korean exhibitions. On the other pipe stands, we have different machine model for the beveling machines. So basically, we have several machines. Models is changing accordingly to the diameters. In this case, we have the T5, which is ranging from 2 to 8 inches, and probably this is our best-selling product. In this case, is with an electric motor, but as you can see, we have also pneumatic motors, accordingly to the needs of the customer, of course. We brought as well flange-facing machines, again up to 15 inches of diameters. And the most important thing is that GBC can customize machine accordingly to the customer needs. So we are ranging from half inch to above 100 inches of diameters. Additionally, we also have plate beveling machines, stationary beveling machines, as well as all the accessories such as pipe stand, pipe clamps, and grinding machine for the back gauging.
Wow.
So we hope, as we can see from the first morning, the crowd is coming.
Yeah.
So let's hope also for the next 3 days to have a good presence of a customer here in Korea. We are associated with ㅅCHEMIKO since the last decades now.
That's amazing.
They are our partner. They are taking care of customer visit, customer demo, as well as after-sales support. So we're relying on them since many years. We believe that Korean is a growing market. So, and also they are looking for advanced machines, and this is the reason why we are happy to be here again since the last years.
Do you already work with a lot of companies here in the Korean market?
Yes, of course. We are probably working with them since the last 15 years, mainly on the beveling machine, but latest we are also selling cold cutting machineries.
Yeah.
And we believe that technology presence in this country requires this kind of machineries, and this is the reason why we are happy to be once again here with them.
Okay. I mean, by just looking at these two machines, it's obvious that you guys have so much experience, so much expertise in this field. That's wonderful. We hope that you get a lot of customers here today that are able to check out your products. Thank you so much for the interview, and have an amazing time in Korea. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Awesome.